Assalamualaikum. Today we will learn the formation of alphabets. Wow, here is capital A. Ant. Here is small a ant. Here is capital B. B bee. Here is small b. Here is C. Its sound is k. C for chicken. C for chicken. Here is small c. D. What is this? D. Dinosaur. Here is small d. Dinosaur. Here is capital E. Elephant. Elephant. Here is small e. F. Capital F. Fox. Fox. Here is small f. Fox. Here is G. Giraffe. Giraffe. Here is small g. Giraffe. H. Hippo. Hippo. Here is small h. Here is small h. I. Here is I. Iguana. Iguana. Here is small I. Iguana. J. Here is capital J. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Here is small j. K. This is capital K. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Here is small k. Kangaroo. L. Here is capital L. Lion. Here is small l. Lion. M. Monkey. Here is capital M. Monkey. Monkey. Here is small m. Here is N. Capital N. Newt. Newt. Here is small n. Newt. O. This is O. All. O. Here is small o. All. All. P. Here is capital P. Pig. Here is small p. Q. This is Q. Quail. Quail. Here is small q. Quail. R. Rat. Here is capital R. Here is small r. Rat. Rat. S. Snake. Snake. Here is small s. Snake. T. Here is capital T. Turtle. Turtle. Here is small t. Here is U. Unicorn. Unicorn. Here is small u. Small u. Unicorn. V. Here is capital V. V. Vulture. V. Vulture. Here is small v. V. Vulture. W. Here is W. W. Whale. W. Whale. W. Whale. Here is small w. X. Here is X. X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Here is small x. X-ray fish. Y. Capital Y. Yak. Here is small y. Yak. Here is Z. Zebra. Zebra. Here is small z. Zebra. So class, this is all about alphabet formation. Hope so you enjoy the video. Subscribe the channel for more videos. Allah Hafiz.